Yeah? I know, right?
Good morning, guys. And it's Thursday, and I got a present for Daddy.
Kakagising lang yan.
I want to give it to him now.
Yeah? Show it a little bit.
It's a bag.
Yeah, she made a candy, yeah?
Yeah.
Hindi pa nakasuklay, guys. Hayaan niya na. Kakagising lang talaga. Hinanap niya kagad ito. Okay, we'll give it to Daddy.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
And they say, and I sing song, like Father's Day song. Father's Day, hey, to Daddy. Father's Day to Daddy.
Wow.
Father's Day to Daddy. Father's Day to Daddy.
Is that your Father's Day song to Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, let's go.
But we have to open the present first.
Okay, alright, go.
Oh, sorry. Something. It wasn't there before.
Love it.
Magic.
Nadia! Happy Father's Day, Daddy. This is not her, it's...
Thank you, Mum.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Good morning! It is Sunday and it's currently 10 o'clock ng umaga. Nandito ako ngayon sa sasakyan at nandito kami sa labas ng simbahan. So kakatapos lang ng Sunday Mass, kanina 9 o'clock. And hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung umalis kami ng bahay, no? Kasi nagmamadali na kami. Alam niyo naman kung gaano kahirap mag-ready in the morning with the 2 kids. And si Daddy Mike ngayon at saka yung mga pinsan ko tsaka tiyuhin at tiyahin ko, nasa labas sila nasa harapan sila ng church. Dito kasi kami nagpark sa likuran, guys. I'm just going to move the car doon sa gilid kasi today ay gagawin na natin yung pagpapablessing ng ating sasakyan. So finally, guys, we bought this car a year ago and sa Melbourne, hindi namin naisipan yung magpa-blessing, and then tapos nung pag-move namin sa Brisbane, sobrang daming nangyari and last week, nung celebration ng birthday ni Baby Celine, sabi ng tita ko, gusto mong magsabay tayo ng pagpa-blessing ng car kasi yung pinsan ko si Joanne, kakabili lang niya ng new car and papablessing daw nila yung sasakyan nila. So sabi ko, yeah, that's perfect. We need that and I really wanted to as well kasi alam nyo, hindi kasi uso yan dito sa Australia, guys, alam nyo naman, but alam ko sa Pilipinas, sa atin, very important yung kapag bago yung car o kahit hindi brand new, guys, yung bago yung sasakyan sa'yo, papablessing mo, ganun. So ayun, kami ng mass and ipapark ko lang yung sasakyan doon sa gilid para isahan na lang kasi nandun yung sasakyan ng pinsan ko. And also, it is Father's Day in Australia today, 4th of September. So, happy Father's Day to everyone na daddy dyan sa Australia. Australia lang kasi, iba yung day. Ewan ko, guys, I don't know what's the reason, but iba-iba yung Father's Day. I know, May ba yun or June? June ata, di ba, sa Pilipinas. We don't have any plans as yet. Kasi yung inisip ko lang today, this morning, is yung papablessing ng car natin. And then, after that, we'll see what we're gonna do. Kung ano yung gagawin natin, kung ano yung gagawin natin for Father's Day. Father's Day lunch, maybe. We'll take Daddy Mike somewhere. Nice.
Bless this car. Bless those who will be in it, that you may protect them and guide them, free them from all accident and trouble, that you may bring them to a safe trip. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Ayan na, guys. Blessing na ni Father. Oh, I'm gonna close this. Paris is there.
That was very close.
Hey vlog, welcome to my guys.
Yan o. Enjoy na naman, guys. Ito na lang daw kayo. Hi, Lanza.
flexing. He left the gym yesterday. He's flexing now.
Oh, wow.
Nah, I wanted to go back because I keep paying for the thing every week.
She's been a really good girl inside the church. So that's the church, guys. Dito kami ngayon malapit sa bahay ni Tita. Good. Good. Ling Ling.
Good.
Ayan, tatlo yung sasakyan na na ano guys. I'm talking to myself. Meron tayong paano kay Father sa church.
I need your name. I can't
Ando na sila, oh.
Oh, that's the dress that we got.
I just yeah.
Where are you going to?
Half an hour from Frankston by train.
Where are you taking your bag?
Away from Frankston? No, it's further away. Let's turn for that.
Ah, Celine. Bye-bye na, bye-bye to.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Ay, sure sa'yo. At nabi, OOTD siya.
Si Anthony man din naghatag sa ako.
Oh, really? Oh, that's very nice. Very sweet. Oh, tala niya. OOTD ng aking tita. Benga.
Ay, lang face na bawat ha.
OOTD sa niya mga kwandiri.
Kaya mga father sa akong picturean noon.
Lagi-lagi. Good idea. Good idea.
Picturean mo ni Mikey father sa
Everyone in the Philippines is jealous of you.
Okay, father.
Okay, go, go.
I didn't have license at the moment.
Ayaw natin ang mga tatay.
Someone sad?
Ha? Someone sad. Alis na. Sad na siya. Okay, here's the car now, guys. It's blessed now. Yeah, we should have taken photo with the car, Daddy. Hi! Ayan, guys. Kakatapos lang. I-bless ni Father ang ating car. Finally! Ayan, pinasakay na ang ating Ate Paris. Ayan, nakatali na yan siya dyan. Ito siya, kakapadedi ko lang. Kaya nandito kami sa passenger seat. Daddy Mike's outside, yeah.
My joints was a little bit.
Hi! Hi! Have you been a good girl? Hmm? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang pa-dress today, guys, oh. So, kay Ate Paris pa to. Pag may nakita akong picture ni Ate Paris na suot tong dress na to, i-insert ko para makita nyo. Tingnan nyo, super cute mo nandun. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
You love your dada, don't you? You love your dada?
I love Baba.
You love your daddy?
Hey, Dad.
Ado ba, baba? Ado ba, baba?
Baba.
Where shall we go, Daddy?
I wouldn't mind a pasta, I think.
Pasta?
What are you? Pasta.
Pasta every day. Dapat rin yung mata, ito eh. Nya. Lagot na namin yung mahangin sa labas. So, which one, Daddy? Dado! So, wala kaming... There's no booking. So.
Maybe Mulangaba, I think.
Mike, can you give me my handbag?
It's not back.
Mike, can you give me my bag?
Which bag na?
That one.
Oh, yeah.
What is
Alrighty. Waga. Say see you there. Say see you, Tita.
Cute girl.
Don't put that in your mouth, sweetheart.
It's nothing, just my chocolate.
Yeah. Did you go to church?
Yeah.
Huh? Don't put that in your mouth, Nat. This might choke you.
The boat.
It will. It will.
You're such a cutie. You're a cutie
Let's go.
A few moments later.
It's now 11 o'clock. Yan, dito na kami sa ano. We ended up coming to Westfield in Mount Rabat. So to Ate. Give it to her, Ate. Not on the pram. Dito kami, oh. Hugs Bread Cafe.
What time did it happen?
I don't know, it says please wait to be seated. Ito yung gusto ni Daddy Mike. Gusto ko sana doon sa ano eh. Sa Vietnamese ba? Sa Daddy Mike, gusto niya dito. Hayaan na lang natin kay Father's Day. Ah, really? Oh, no. Yummy! 11:30 pa daw mag-open guys. It's still 11.
Starbucks first. She said.
Let's go. Come on na. Okay. Patricia. Sure. Show me your outfit na pa. Wow.
Let's bring it back.
Hang on, I'll fix that. Starbucks na lang daw muna. Siguro, bumili muna ng kape. Starbucks. Asa ba nakalabas? Ayan. Ay, ate, careful, ate. Ay, flying kiss, wala mga. Flying kiss, mama nak, be. Bini, flying kiss, mama. Ang lihang og ngipon nga bata pa lang ba sa mama. Ay. Put it back please, ate. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. Nini, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Thanks. What happened?
I don't know where it goes.
Gusto na mag-picture dito guys. Ay, hindi makapag-picture. Ang batang ito ay ayaw mag... Hala, awa, oo.
Just climbing.
Celine, the ladder. Mackenzie.
Mackenzie.
Ito pa, feel na nasa holiday ba? La. Careful, Bob, her head.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel!
Wait.
Okay, let's go in na.
I want to pick which one I want to go first.
Okay.
Let's go to the game jump.
I'm not sure about that.
First.
The melon, lime, and bitters out.
What are you eating for lunch?
This one. Ayan pala hindi umiyak. Nanonood ng kanyang nursery rhyme. We're still waiting for our food.
There's your macaroni and cheese.
Sit here next to Mama na. We're home now. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Daddy's trying to set up itong kanyang binili na foot massage, guys. Oh,
Mommy, it's still Father's Day. It's over.
it's Father's Day. Still.
Only if it's nighttime.
Hey girls, that means you're my slave.
If it's nighttime.
Aling-ling. Alalala.
If it's nighttime.
Ling! It's not for you, my love. You're...
If it's nighttime, it's gonna be over.
That's right. Not tomorrow. We'll be okay tomorrow.
How come I don't get it like all day like Celine's birthdays?
That for daddy, it's Father's Day every day. Anak, your thigh is too small. Or your calf is too small. I mean, not gonna fit there.
And don't
Binili ni
get
Daddy Mike from the slaver shop. How much was this, Bob? Half price, is it? Daddy wants to do it now. Nah. Come on! Carry her, Bob.
Look, if I carry she's gonna move back.
No, she's not. Kasi, yung batang yan ay mahilig siyang ano ba? Cut. Wait, you have to take your jeans off, Bob. Grabe na gid siya ka. Wala na gid niya matangtang ngayon. Be? Let's see how it works.
Ah. Ah.
What? Daddy. Say what?
Nang, don't come, nang. Don't come close to it, nak. Yan yung hinihingi niya palagi kay Paris, guys.
I didn't feel nice. That's feel nice.
Over, Miss Daddy, uy. Over kayo yung reaction.
Daddy, does it feel nice?
Ah.
Does it feel nice?
Beautiful na mami.
Yeah, babe. Can I do it well on this end now? Yeah.
Ay!
Okay. Anak ko! Nakahandbag mo sa
Ay,
linis.
pwede na.
No, I think it has to be from this side. Okay. Tikuhan.
Ma, does it feel crazy?
Ling Ling, don't put your hand in na.
Does it feel crazy?
What are you putting sorry?
Ay, magaling, oy. Parang may humihilot talaga ba? Oh, nagpagawa pala ako ng kuko, guys, while nandun kami. Tignan nyo, Mother's Day. Tignan nyo, oh.
Mother's Day.
Tapos, ito, SNS sa aking kamay.
Darling!
Lini girl! Ayan. O, diba?
Oh my God.
I like it. I think babalik na ako doon, guys, kung magpapagawa ako ng kuko kasi nagustuhan ko yung gawa nila. Tingnan, oh, maganda siya. Mas maganda yan siya tingnan kapag mas mahaba ba, pero
Oh, I feel you.
that's it.
Yeah.
Tapos iyan, shellac. Shellac yung sa ano. Toenails.
Darling.
Lini girl! Take that off, babe. You don't need that one, babe. Ning! Lini! Boom. Kag. What is it, na? Have a look at here. Yeah? I know, right? I like it. Do you like it? Do you? What happened to your handbag, man? Iwan naman kita sa maliog. Come here, ate. Sit here, ate. Na, daddy, put that on na. Anak, be, take that off, nak, be. Silly girl.
He put it on by herself.
I know, such a silly girl. Palanda sa mama. So what's your say, daddy? You like it?
Ah. That's all I've got to say.
I really don't like to work
Oh.
Wow.
but I'm the only one who's working right now.
Darling.
Job is a
Lang lang, don't put your on. Daddy loves watching this, guys, oh. 90, what was it, Bob?
90 Day Fiancé.
90 Day Fiancé. Sa America yata ito na show.
It's a Filipina Australian this one.
Kagabi pa to siya eh. Ito yung pinapanood niya.
Yeah, I like that chewy candy.
Hello?
That up there.
Hello? Is that your phone?
Hello.
Can I speak to Lainey, please?
Oh.
I feel nice.
Malamig.
So sorry.
Luto tayo ng hapunan, guys. Hapunan na parang agahan ba? Tingnan nyo. Egg. Go ahead. And hot dog.
give you a longanisa.
Jumbo hotdog.
A long longanisa. Seriously, you're
Bob!
bad influence, you know?
You are. Show this na review what you're...
No, not like that.
Show ba? Just show ba?
Daddy is eating a... longanisa.
Longanisa. Masarap dito guys. Video call pala kami ng Mother Dear guys. Ma, sa hello ma.
Hello everyone! Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa lahat!
Gandang gabi namang God.
Magandang hapon sa lahat mga guys!
Kita. Ala, kita ang giti eh. Kita ang giti. Video ko guys habang nagluto ng dinner. Kumakain na pala yung mga kiddos guys. Nandun na sila oh. Sa lunchroom. Doon sa mesa doon na. Si mami nyo nagsaing ng kanin. Tapos ito yung pupituin ko. O, diba? Tapos magkakape. Parang namagahan lang talaga. Magic syrup. Ito yung niluluto ng mama ko ba before. Nung si Inday ay bata.
Ayan, dog, egg, pwede sarap.
Masarap.
When I wasn't here yesterday, the chorus went up where the band is supposed to go.
Sila eating Bob?
Yeah, mainly like
Ayan, putuin na natin to. Si Daddy Mike ay nakatulog kanina guys. Sobrang nasarapan siya doon sa kanyang foot massage. Tulog siya ay.
Like snowboats on the ocean, sailing big waves on the ocean. There's like single wheel open. I only have one match, but maybe I'll make it explosion. All the things I didn't say, rock and roll inside my grave. Say to me, can you hear my voice in time? This is my five song. Hey, that's my five song. That's my
Okay, how look at the fire singing?